The shot heard around the world from England to America, getting ready to fight for what is right. Freedom! What's my name? What's my name? What? Say it. What's my name? What's my name? Feel the power. I help create America in all its glory. I help create America. Now hear my story. The British were going to conquer, to destroy the Patriots' guns. The Patriots said, You say, And Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. That means we're free. Independence, so we don't live under tyranny. What's my name? What's my name? Say it. Thomas Jefferson. What's my name? What's my name? Now you say it. Thomas Jefferson. I help create America in all its glory. I help create America. Now hear my story. One dude, Thomas Paine, he wrote Common Sense, which was a book to encourage independence. He wrote about liberty. We needed all of this in order to be happy. What's my name? What's my name? Okay, I'm going to say it. Then you say it. Thomas Paine. What's my name? What's my name? You say it. Thomas Paine. Good. I help create America in all its glory. I help create America. Now hear my story. Now what were these men fighting? They were fighting tyranny, a government that's not fair, so their people can't be happy. But states also did not just want the government. They wrote charters so that they could have independence. What's my name? What's my name? Hear my story. What's my name? What's my name? Hear my story. I help create America in all its glory. I help create America so we could all be free. What did people need? They needed what? Money! And without that they would die, and that's not funny. So who came to the rescue? Haim Solomon. We gave these people money so that they could win. What's my name? What's my name? Haim Solomon. What's my name? What's my name? Now you say it. Haim Solomon. Good job. I help create America. Let's finish it up in all its glory. I help create